Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. To Salim. My name is Ahmad AKMAL AMINUDDIN bin Rahmat. My number metric is D20211100824. So in this video, I would like to demonstrate to you how we want to use adjoint method to find the inverse of the metric 3 by 3. So before that, I would like to explain to you what is the inverse of the metric. Okay, as you can see here, I have done research in this web. The inverse of metric is another metric. What's that? For metric, it inverse is for metric A, it inverse A is A negative 1. So you can see here. So the general formula for the inverse of metric is equal to the adjoint of metric divided by the determinant of the metric. Okay, so this is the formula of the adjoint metric, the inverse of adjoint metric. See here. Okay, and you need to know that the inverse of metric only exists if the determinant of the metric is non-zero, or we call it as non-singular. Determinant whose determinant, the metric whose determinant is non-zero and for which the inverse metric can be calculated is called an invertible metric. So the inverse of the metric will be 0. Okay, I will focus more to this because this is the inverse metric of adjoint metric. Okay, I think we all know how to use this formula, so let's continue to the question, to the how we want to use the formula. Okay, sorry. Okay. So I will use this 3 by 3 matrix, 2 1 negative 1 2 4 0 negative 1 5 2. Okay, step 1, we will find the determinant. So there's have two ways how we want to find determinant. First, we can use arrow method, and second, we can use cofactor method. So in this question, I will use cofactor method. Okay, to find the determinant, choose any row or column and multiply each element by its cofactor. Determinant is the sum of this. So I will use the column of 2 4 0. Okay, expanding by the second row, determinant will be negative here for the row 2 1. And positive for the column 3, and will be negative for the column 3. So just put the formula. Okay, how we get 1 multiplied by 2 and negative 1 multiplied by 5? We use the formula of AD minus BC, and just sum up all of this, we will get negative 2 for the determinant. Actually, you can calculate the determinant at first or at last after you finding the cofactor of all these elements. Okay, step 2, we replace each element by its cofactor, or we can call it minus 1 1, minus 1 2 1 3, and so on. So cofactor of 2 or minus 1 1 will get 8. Okay, this same, we just use formula AD minus BC. Okay, for cofactor 1 or minus 1 2, we will get negative 4. Okay, same for the minus 1 3, get 14. Okay, let's go on for the minus 2 1, we get negative 7, and same for the minus 2 2, we get 3, and minus 2 3, we get negative 11, and the minus 3 1, we will get 4, and the minus of 3 2, we will get negative 2, and lastly minus 3 3 or cofactor of 2 will get 6. Okay, so this the step 3, or I can say the last step. Transpose the matrix of cofactor and divide by determinant. We just put into the formula negative 1 over determinant A to the adjoint of matrix A. Okay, I will show you the formula again. Okay, this formula, this formula of the inverse of inverse A, we just put back 1 over determinant A multiplied by the adjoint A, adjoint of matrix A. So this what I trying to do here. I just put back all the thing that I've get into the formula. Excuse me. Okay, this is the adjoint of matrix A. I multiply by the what we call here determinant, 1 over determinant, and that's why we get negative 4 here, and 3.5, negative 2, 2, negative 1.5, 1, negative 7, 5.5, negative 3. So this is how I get the inverse of matrix by using adjoint method. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain to you, what I'm trying to demonstrate to you, and I hope this video really help people to understanding how to use adjoint method. That's all for me. Thank you.